Here's my easy recipe for egg drop soup. You want to take 2 eggs and beat them up well. Put them to the side. Then you want to take 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, add that to a little bit of water, mix that as well. Make sure it's nice and smooth. In a pan of water, you want to add 1 bouillon cube. You can use the flavor of your choice. Break it up, let the water come to a boil. Once that's done, you're going to add your egg. You have a seaweed strips here and spinach. Cut them up. Stir up your egg mixture in the meantime. When that comes to a boil, add your seaweed and your spinach. You want to top that off with some sesame oil. Add other seasonings if you desire. Once it comes together, pour it into a cup. Boom, it's done. Add bread if you'd like on the side, or whatever you would like to add with it, rice, whatever. It's done. It cannot get any easier than this. Now you know how to make egg drop soup.